Hey guys, today I wanted to show Jekyll, which is a static site generator built on top of Ruby. It allows you to make a static site for simple applications, a restaurant, for example, a landing page for a wedding or an event. It's very simple. It uses, like I mentioned, Ruby, so Ruby gems to install. You make the site, it auto-generates a website, and you can go from there. So I thought we could go through this together. I'm at the Jekyll website, which is jekylrb.com. I got my terminal open here, and I'm in the my GitHub directory, so I'm going to go ahead and paste in the code. This first one installs the bundler for Jekyll, and then the next command is going to create a new Jekyll website. So here, Jekyll space new is the command for a new site, and then the space my awesome site is the site name, the directory name that will be set up. So we're going to go ahead and hit enter on that. I'm going to open VS Code here, and we should be able to see it if we go to open here. Yep, here it is. Let's make sure that finishes. And then the last command after we change directories is to execute and serve. So we're going to change directories here. And then I'm going to serve it. And then it's going to populate for me on port 4000. So if I click this link, it's going to open in Brave. And here's the website that it's set up. So here, Jekyll is commonly used for blog posts. So here's a post example of a blog post. We got a few basic elements here. We got a header or a nav bar with the site title, and then there's an about page. If we click here, here's the about page. Here's the home page with the post that we saw. It comes with RSS enabled out of the box, so that's cool. Here's a footer with the site name, an email for the site, a few social links, so GitHub and Twitter, and then a site description. And if we go into code, we'll see that that is actually populated in a config file. So here, your awesome title is the site title. So if we change this to my site, I'll do Bob at AOL. This is how you change the basic template. Is in this this config file. Bob. Here it says we're using a theme minima, which is the theme for the Jekyll site, and then we're using the plugin Jekyll feed, which is that RSS feed. So if we save this, I believe we have to relaunch. If we save this, I think we have to relaunch. We need to rebuild the site. So we'll go Command C to stop it, press up to populate the last command, and then run it again. And here you'll see it populated with my site. My site is also on the footer. Here's Bob at AOL, Bob at GitHub, Bob at Twitter. Some description is the description. The post is still there. We didn't change anything with the post, but you'll see a post directory here. This just uses Markdown. If you're familiar with Markdown, you'll be right at home here. We have a category, a date, title, and the post layout, which is the default post layout. Let's see, some other directories in here. The underscore site is the site output, so this is where the actual output of the static site goes. This is something that you'll want to list as a git ignore. Let's see if it's in there already. Yes. So here we're ignoring the build folder. We got a 404 page. Here's the about page. It's in the base directory and it's .markdown file. So the benefit with this is you convert the markdown file into a web page. So it's very easy. It just needs a layout, title, and a link. We got the gem files, and then here's the index page. Here's the home page. Go back to the home page. Here's the test that I just wrote. And since it's Markdown, I should be able to make this code. Let's try it. Yep, there it is. So this is just the introduction video to show off what Jekyll is. I will be making a series on Jekyll. It's not the newest, latest, greatest static site generator. There's other options out there. There's Next.js, there's Gatsby that both run on the React framework. There's a bunch of Python options for static sites. This one is the one that made me fall in love with web development. So this is the one I gravitate towards for simple projects like landing pages and like a restaurant, like a menu website, or a small business that if they just need like a landing page to say their phone number, their location, a few photos, a few services that they provide, just descriptions. This is my go-to. This is the one that I go with. So look forward to a series of a few videos of me working with Jekyll. If you haven't already, hit subscribe to get those sent to you. And that's it. That's this video. Thanks so much.